my time.
Think you know Canva? Think again. These 9 new updates will change how you design and edit forever. Whether you are into whiteboards, video editing, or just want to speed up your creative flow, you're about to be blown away. Let's dive right in. First up, snap timeline zoom. Ever tried to fine tune a video clip and couldn't get the timing just right? Canva's new timeline lets you zoom in down to the millisecond. So let's see an example of it. I have already imported a video from the library. Now, this new feature, do you see? You have the video up to the milliseconds. You can go ahead, stretch it, and you would be able to time it, cut it, or edit it as per the milliseconds. This is so fantastic, especially for content creators and video editors who are not able to time their video rights. All you really need to do is, if you see this zoom thumbnail, you need to click on these 3 icons or the 3 dots that you see. That is this will actually zoom you out, but you need to click on it to zoom you in, and you would be able to go ahead and zoom into the milliseconds. I think this is a fantastic addition by Canva. They are really taking the feedback of the content creators seriously, and I'm so excited to use it in my video edits. I hope you guys like it too, and you are using it in your new videos. And you do not need to go ahead and split your videos any longer. You can add as many elements as possible. Let me show you how. So this is the previous video. Now let's see if I can add an element in here. I want to add a text box, and I want to just put anything. Glob. Okay, that sounds fine. Now, earlier we had to split the video, right, to time it right, where we wanted it at the segment of the video. Now you can go ahead and just time it by sliding it, so it will appear only in that segment of the video, and you do not need to go ahead and split your videos any longer. You can add as many elements as possible. Let's say I want to add another element. Let's say I want to add an element, flowers falling. Yeah, it could be anything. Here you go. And I want to time it in here. Now let's play it. There you see it goes, and then you have the flower falling elements coming in. You can increase the timeline, you can decrease the timeline, and it is so effortless, so easy. I really love it. It saves a lot of time for the video makers, and a huge thumbs up to Canva. This next feature is again amazing. This is enhancing the audio quality of your video. Lo and behold, Canva has given us this feature. Let's explore it. Okay, so I have exported one of my audio file which has some background music, or the audio is not clear. Let's play it and see.
I'm so glad to see all of you, and a very happy new year.
So if you see, the audio is not very clear, right? And I would definitely like to enhance it. Now this feature, enhanced voice, is right over here. All you really need to do is click on enhanced voice and your voice quality will improve. Just one caveat, this feature is available only for pro users, but let's just see how it enhances the audio quality. And there you go, just within seconds the audio quality has been improved, and let's see and play
Glad to
it.
see all of you, and a very happy new year, and I'm so glad to see you all.
So do you see the background noise that we had is all erased? The audio quality is better. You can go ahead and increase the volume of this audio file if you want it to be loud. That's feature which was already available, but with enhanced voice you can make it of a premium quality. But as I said, this feature is only for pro users, but nevertheless a game changer. Okay, our next feature, this is moment in time video editing. It's very much same of the features we discussed earlier, wherein we could time the elements, but it gives you more control in timing your videos, and I will quickly show you how. Just stay with me. So this is my earlier video and I've imported another video in here. Now, so what moment in time video editing you can do is, let's say I want to add in a timeline to my video, and I'm just quickly going to add it. Let me add one more text box. I want to give it a date. Let's say I want to give it January 01 2025, and I'll just put it to white color so that it is more visible, and I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to go ahead and put it here right in the corner. This here, let's say I want to put a timeline to it. Let's say it is 1800 hours, and let me make it bold. Let me also go ahead and change the color to white. Now I'll go ahead and move it here. Now I want to go ahead and show the transition of the time for January 1, how the party is going ahead and proceeding. So what I really need to do is I will go in here, I will select it, and let's say I want to duplicate in here. I'm just going to do a copy paste. You see, if I when I copy paste it in here, the timeline on top of the video, it disappears and move on to the next timeline. So it helps us to really focus on the important elements of the video. But this is not what I want to talk about. The motion in time video is, if you want to go ahead and make changes to this timeline, you just have to click on shift, select it, it will appear. And let's say I want to have January 1 showing on the start of the video and just the 1800 hours in the remaining video. It will show like this. Similarly, if I want to come in here and I'll just select, do a shift, I will select it. I no longer want January 1, so I can remove it, but I definitely want to show 1800 hours. So I will go ahead and put it in here, and maybe I will go ahead and slide it for just the timeline. So, and now let's play it. Do you see? It shows January 1, it shows the 1800 hours, and then it moves on to the next screen and it shows the timeline in here. Of course, you can move it to 18 to 20 hours or whatever it is. So that's moment in time editing. It gives you more control, and again, I think this is a wonderful feature by Canva. Okay, let's talk about whiteboards. Whiteboards on Canva, they are super versatile, and you can use it for brainstorming with your team, planning, collaboration. Just jot down your thoughts, mind maps, or just sticky notes, and use them in team meetings or any kind of planning session. Canva has come up with some great features in the whiteboarding. Let's dive right in. So here we are on the whiteboard. The good feature about here is that you can share with your team, and let's say you're discussing on some idea, people can come onto this whiteboard, they can put in their sticky notes, they leave in the sticky notes with the ideas, with their thoughts, and that's how the brainstorming session can do. Now, if you see, we have these sticky notes which are in there, and there's one sticky note which is in here, but the font is, or the text is not visible. We are just going to increase the size of the sticky note, and with that the text will also increase. So that's the auto adjustable text for the sticky notes. In the early version, the text font would remain small, the sticky size would increase. So that's a fantastic enhancement. Another one is in terms of adding elements. Let's say I want to add an element in here, and I just want to go ahead and copy paste here. So in here, and I will just do a control V. I can put it in here. I can put in here. Super easy. So I can use the elements, I can select the elements, and I can copy paste in anywhere, making it easy to be a really fun brainstorming session, I would assume. All right, so that's it. There you have it. 6 powerful Canva updates you need to try today. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another Canva tip. It also helps me to keep these tutorials free and to keep them coming for you. Also, if you want a deeper dive into Magic Switch or the new Brand Hub, let me know. I might do a full tutorial next. And coming is the second part of the another Canva updates that you need to try. Thanks for watching, and keep creating awesome stuff.